melanin on my channel. I do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, vlogs will be coming soon, clothing hauls, get ready with me, a little bit of everything. This is a lifestyle slash beauty channel, I guess you could call it. But yeah, if those are things that you are interested in, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And then of course hit the bell to get post notifications every time that your girl posts, so you never miss out on my videos. I don't know how y'all be saying all y'all stuff. Girl, that's a lot. But anyways, yeah, so today's video is my first look of 2021. Yes, your girl's getting better at this makeup stuff. I have some big things coming to you for 2021, but you'll just have to wait and see. We already got to 150 subs, so super duper excited about that. Now we're on the road to 200 subs. I know we can do it. I believe in y'all, because you didn't let me down the last time. Okay, so without further ado, we'll stop all the talking and get straight into the makeup. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going in with my brows. I do have majority of this video sped up because I just don't want, I don't want it to be too long, and with it sped up it was already I think like 20 minutes, so yeah. But I'm doing my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm brushing it out and now shaping it the way that I want it. And now I'm going in with my concealer and defining that shape even more. The top concealer that I'm using is my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color 67 Walnut. And then on the bottom you'll see I go in with a lighter shade, and that I believe is my e.l.f. concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon. Alright y'all, so this is the 35B Morphe palette, definitely inspired by Lisa Frank. I know y'all remember us using all those different coloring books, pens, pencils, everything, but look at the shades in this palette, y'all. Shout out to my mom, this was one of my Christmas gifts, so I'm super excited. The first color I'll be going in with is this burgundy color, and I'm going to pack that in all over my eyelid. So now y'all, we're going ahead and cutting our crease. I'm just using, as always, my Pro Conceal in the color Cool Tan. So yeah. Now that we finished with our cut crease, I am going in with black and just kind of trying to deepen this look a lot more. I want it to be an ombre, so I want it to go from very dark to very light, and that's what you see me doing right now. And then on top of that black, I'm going to go back in with the burgundy to kind of lighten it up because I realized it was a lot. So after doing that, we're going in with this pink shimmery shade. That shade is literally so pretty, you guys. I don't know if it's doing justice like on camera, but I really hope that y'all really can see how pretty that color is. I'm going ahead and just patting that in the middle portion of my eye and then blending it back to go ahead and start smoothing out those colors so that everything blends properly. Shade, y'all, after that shimmer is this sort of pink color, and I'm just patting that in, not too far in, but right in front of that shimmer color, and then blending back, of course, to make sure that it blends out. The next shade, as you can see, that I'm going in with is white, and that is going on my inner corner of my eye, just to go ahead and furthermore, like I said, finish out this ombre type of look. And then you'll see I keep dipping back and forth in it to really get it, because sometimes, I don't know why, but white is very hard for me to get the way, I guess, get it to look the way I want it to on my eyes. But I'm pretty sure I figured it out, because this look ends up coming out really, really good. Now that we went ahead and finished our eyeshadow colors, we're going in with our e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes, because a look is never, I don't care what nobody tell you, a look is never complete without lashes. Well, for me at least. Lashes add that extra, like that extra pop to the look. Y'all, just seeing that I'm doing these lashes, like putting these lashes on so effortlessly, honestly it's a proud moment for me, because shall I remember when I first started trying to do makeup and I was struggling. Lashes were so hard to me, and now it's just like so easy. I don't even know what I was struggling with to begin with, but yes ma'am, growth. Alright, so now we're going in with our e.l.f. primer, and I believe this one is the matte poreless primer. Poreless face primer. I can't remember, but I will have it typed on the screen. Just rubbing that in all over, chow. Alright guys, so here I'm just going in with my foundation brush and my setting spray and spraying that. I know a lot of people use setting spray at the end, but I've also seen people do it before and after, and I do feel like there's a difference. My foundation shade is 365, and that is Nutmeg. Of course, after foundation, y'all, comes concealer. I always do my concealer under my eyes, on my forehead, straight down the middle of my nose, under my nose, and on my chin. So after I place it in all those spots, I'm going to go ahead and start blending it out. After concealer comes more concealer. I'm using a darker shade. This one I believe is e.l.f. and it's in the color Rich Ebony, just to go ahead and contour. And that's what you see me going ahead and blending that in to kind of deepen everything up and bring some darkness back to my base, baby. Alright, now that I finished that, I'm going in with my NYX Mineral Set It Don't Fret It face powder and just lightly brushing that all over the spots that have foundation so that everything can be matte. Next is one of my favorite parts, highlighter. This is my loose highlighting powder in the color Nefertiti from Juvia's Place. That goes on my nose, on my like bridge of my nose, on the portion of my cheeks where the light hits. I even do a little bit on my forehead, child, and sometimes I do a little bit on my chin. You can never be too shiny, okay? So after highlighter, I'm just going in and finishing up anything with my eyes. So you can see I'm putting some concealer up under my eyelids. For some reason, y'all, my eyes kept watering. I don't know why. They never like water like this, but they kept watering. So I'm getting like Q-tips, trying to like not let it, you know, ruin my face makeup. But I just used that concealer to brighten up the area where I was going to put more eyeshadow, because I wanted that color to pop right underneath my eye. So now we're on to the lip portion of this. I am using a black lip liner just to line my lips. And then I'm going to take a Q-tip and kind of smudge that out a little bit, because I don't want no harsh lines. And then we're also going to actually go in with the same color that we used for our eyeshadow to create the color that we want for our lipstick, because the lipstick that I had was a little bit too pink and it wasn't burgundy, and I wanted it to match up perfectly. And I also wanted to go for somewhat of an ombre look. And baby, when I tell you that this look really came together, this look came together as I'm sitting here watching this, doing this voiceover. I'm just like, wow, like I feel like how I feel when I sit back and watch like professional people do their makeup. This looks like professional makeup. Like nobody can tell me no different. Comment down below if you agree. Now, quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Do not play with me. What y'all be saying? Do not play with her. She is not one of them. I am not one of them. Baby, this look is over the top. Okay, this is top tier. I'm going in with some setting spray, as you can see, to finish this look out. Y'all, look at that highlight. Look at my brow. It's the brows for me. Like, I really hate to say it again, y'all, but it's the everything for me. This look looks like perfect. Perfection. Look at the blend.
Guys, I don't know what has been going on with me lately that I keep forgetting to record intros and outros, but it's better late than never, and I still have my eye makeup on, so just wanted to come back and close this video out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are seeing this and you watched all the way through, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Always leave me feedback down below in the comments, and if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every single time that your girl posts. Videos will be coming weekly. I started doing that like 3 weeks ago, but videos will be coming weekly, so make sure you're on the lookout. And that's all I have for you guys. I really hope y'all enjoy this look. Bye.
Y'all, so here you just see a ton of different pictures from various different angles, so you can see close up how the eyes look, close up on the highlight, close up on my face, just everything. Like, look at that. Wow. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, bye.